Yes, ma'am. So the company name is Nippon IT Solutions, and it's in Jammu. I got selected as a assistant network engineer. So I'm looking forward to it and looking at it as a great opportunity for my start.
Job opportunities. Anything you would like to share in the last? If you can add anything?
Yeah, ma'am. So I think PyNet Labs is a great start for the courses as well, and for the I would refer this to mostly for the freshers who did not get the opportunity. PyNet Labs creates the opportunity for the students.
Hello, Majid. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm fine.
Good afternoon. Congratulations, Majid, for this great opportunity you got as a fresher. How you feeling?
Thank you, ma'am. Uh, I feel very excited. Great.
Great, great. So, Majid, as you are pursuing our 100% job guarantee program, I would really wanted to know about the feedback of the course.
Yeah, ma'am. The course was absolutely great. We had sales as a tutor. He simplified the things as simple as possible. I cannot think anything else can simplify the things like he did.
Okay, great, great.
So for the communication skills, we had Rinki Sharma ma'am, how she made us confident for typing as well. So yeah, it was a great experience.
So you're continuously taking the communication classes, the PD classes, along with your technical classes, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Great, great. So it's really great that you are, taking the classes properly and
Yes, ma'am. So the company name is Nippon IT Solutions, and it's in Jammu. I got selected as a assistant network engineer. So I'm looking forward to it and looking at it as a great opportunity for my start.
obviously, and I mean, you are from Jammu only, so it's your home location as well. So I
Yes,
think
ma'am,
that's why.
yes, I am from Kashmir, so yeah, it is like a hometown also. So
So it is your fresh, it is your, first opening, and I think you're still pursuing the course. The course is not
yes,
completed yet.
yes, ma'am.
So how much you have covered, if you can tell us?
So we have done the CCNA training, then CCNP
Mhm.
ENCOR. Now it is
Oh,
a NRC going on. It is
okay,
we have completed like a quarter of it.
okay, okay. So only NRC is left, and then CCNA and ENCOR is already done. Great.
Yes.
And Majid, I do remember that you are really good at technical. You are really focusing, putting efforts. And I think that is the reason we were just, I think it's just 1 month that we are connected. Like you're connected from the placement department. It's just, I think, 1 month,
Yeah, less than one.
less than 1 month, right? And I think I text you, it was an introduction because your CCNA and core was completed. So now it's the time for the placement, right? So I called you up. We got connected. And I think before this opening, I also shared you for some another one also.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is was some from in, I guess, in Bangalore somewhere. It is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
for the network engineer role. And I do remember the technical mock interviews. You are very focused and consistent. I'm really happy to see that that you have taken a program and you are putting efforts in that. That's why I think you just clear the interview in one go.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
and Majid, I really wanted to know, which is actually the best part. You got selected in one day. The process was very, very fast. It was surprising for me also because I was not expecting it to be that fast. I think I shared your profile and they just lined up your two interviews in a same day, like yesterday only, right? So how was the interview experience?
Uh, interview experience was also great. First, I got connected to the HR, I think, and then
Mm-hmm.
got connected to the technical team. And
Mm-hmm.
they asked me about like the role is for L1 engineer, and Mostly they asked about the L1 Ethernet cables, and also asked about the router and switch and OSPF protocol. So that
Okay,
was
okay. And you cleared it very well because your mock was clear, you are preparing well, then you are prepared, right? It was a random. I think I just asked you in the morning, like, Majid, I have this opening. Would you like to apply? And you said, yes, I want to. I
yes,
shared your profile. It was just so fast, but I'm glad that you were prepared. Otherwise, we would have lost this opportunity, right? But you did well. So I'm really happy and many, many congratulations to you for getting your first job. It's just a starting and you are still connected with us, right? So you have a
yes,
lot more to achieve in future. You are still working on your weaker points. You know where to work. You already told me that ma'am, I want to work on these and I'm pretty much focused on my technical. So that is a real good thing, which I mean, you are actually, I think you also had some gap. I just remember while talking to
yes,
you. You
uh,
graduated, I guess, 2023, if I'm not
yes,
wrong.
yes, ma'am. June 23.
So what happened after that? Like, what took you so much to.
Actually, I was looking for the job, but I was looking at it by myself through the various platforms like LinkedIn,
Okay.
com. But
Mm-hmm.
I did not receive any response. And then actually my parents told me to join any course. Then I looked for the courses and I got the PyNet Labs. One of my friend actually referred me. He did not have
Okay.
the course, but he was like more about the networking.
Okay.
He want
Okay.
networking, so he know about the networking courses where are available and
Mm-hmm.
which are reputed
Mm-hmm.
organizations. He referred me it. So I got connected to the Nitish sir and I joined the course.
Great. Great. So, I mean, your friend referred you. And I mean that's really sad, but you looked for a job like from 2023 to 2025 around, right? So you were searching for a job that long.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't get anything.
Actually, I think the
It's
most
hard,
part
I know, I know.
where I was lacking is introvert. I could not ask directly someone to like refer.
Mm,
That is why I think the courses like these are great for a person like me.
for freshers who are actually don't know how to start or maybe the right platform from where I get an opportunity, right? So
Yes.
I think you will be going to thank your friend a lot after this
Definitely,
because
I thanked him early in the morning when I got the offer letter.
okay. The morning you got an offer letter, you just thank him. That's a really great gesture. I mean, he deserve it. I mean, he referred you at the right place, and now you are happy. Job opportunities. Anything you would like to share in the last? If you can add anything.
Yeah, ma'am. So I think PyNet Labs is a great start for the courses as well, and for the I would refer this to mostly for the freshers who did not get the opportunity. PyNet Labs creates the opportunity for the students, and I am looking forward. I will join. I think another course after the I got some.
Thank you, Majid. Thank you so much for your time and best of luck for your new job. I hope I hope I'm sure you're gonna be achieving so much more in the future. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your time.
Thank you.